How to develop determination? Yes, determination is very important part of personality, and one needs to have a strong determination. The entire dialogue between Lord Krishna and Arjun focuses around the determination of Arjun to fight the war as a part of his duty, as a warrior, because he is supposed to fight the righteous war. In order to be a determined person, you must have a strong willpower, for which you require to know what is your weakness. You have also to remove all temptations of any kind will interfere with your willpower. Further, set clear goals and execution plan. This will also help you to develop your willpower. Willpower is affected when things are not very clear. Then, next you build your own self-discipline. Create simple habits which are easy to follow. Have a new perception for life, new perspective of life, and that will also improve your self-esteem and develop your willpower. Now, coming to determination, once you want to be determined, you should know that you must start working from the point of strength. We have some weaknesses, some strengths, but you must focus on the strengths. Number 2, you should avoid distractions. Distractions definitely weakens your determination. Very important third point is that you should not choose luck over deliberate decision, deliberate practice. Don't depend on luck. Depend on your perseverance, on your work. Point number 4 is narrow your choice. You should not have a very large horizontal view of what you want to do. For any particular subject, you need to narrow your choice, and then only your determination will be strong and it will be helpful in your objective. You should also become deeply committed. If you are committed, obviously it will help you to be more determined. You should create personal values. Values will also ensure that you don't cross the Lakshman Rekha, and that in turn will help your determination. Last but not the least, you should realign your actions regularly. Things are changing, life is changing, so it is necessary to revisit all what you do, all your abilities, all your actions and your decisions. Therefore, keep on realigning your actions regularly. In chapter 18, Lord Krishna beautifully describes that the determination of a person could be of 3 kinds. He says, Parth, the determination of mind which emerges out of devotion to the duty and dedication to the Almighty, it is carried out by a person with his mind, soul and body, and it is known as Sattvic, the highest form of determination. But when a person acts to fulfill his determination, which is arrived with a keen desire for the result, and is full of attachment. It is known as Rajsik. And Parth, the determination of the evil-minded person, which engages him in fear, worry, laziness, and sorrow, and because of which he cannot come out of these negative emotions, is called tamasic determination. In the first chapter, when Arjuna is downcast with worry, emotions, now his condition is the same as that of the tamasic determination, which engages him in fear, worry, and sorrow, because of which he cannot come out of these negative emotions. Now, throughout the dialogue, Lord Krishna has been advising Arjuna to come out of this slumber, to come out of these emotions, to get ready, follow the path of his duty, and fight courageously.